Email marketing tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to tell you all about email marketing. If you are a complete beginner and if you do not know how to create email marketing campaign, and if you do not have an idea where to go, how to start, well, don't worry. I will tell you all about email marketing today, and I will actually show you how you can create your first email marketing campaign which is professional, and you will be able to do that for free. So let's get started. Now, what I want you to do is simply select a platform first. You can go to any platform. I am going to be using HubSpot.com. You can go to any other platform. There are many other platforms out there. For example, MailChimp.com. There is Send in Blue, and there are others as well. So you can actually check them out too. So I will be using HubSpot.com. Now, the question is, what is email marketing and what are different factors that we have to keep in mind? And what are the different, steps to email marketing campaign and how we can run a successful email marketing campaign. So let's start. I will be creating an email marketing campaign in front of you so you have an idea. So once you sign up for any of the platforms, I have signed up for HubSpot.com. On HubSpot, we can actually create very good email marketing campaigns and ads and forms. So I have personally created my email marketing campaigns with HubSpot. So it really helps you to create these very professional email marketing campaigns. So you simply go to marketing, and in marketing, you will find email. What is email marketing campaign? It simply means creating email. So there are different types of email campaigns. So one that we use most of the time is to get the email addresses of people to grow our subscribers and to grow our email list. So we have that kind of email where people just simply type in their email address and their name, and it's sent to you and it is added to your list. Then we have promotional one where you promote a product, you promote anything you want to. So that is a promotional email that you can create. And then we have a regular email for your subscribers. For example, you might have noticed whenever you give your email to any website or any program, then they send you these emails from time to time, right? So that is an email marketing campaign that they are doing to promote their services or to promote their product. You can also create emails like that. It's super simple. So you simply sign up. We have come to email marketing right here. So in here, you will see the option of create email. Simply click on create email. So now I will be able to create my first email marketing campaign because we're creating for the first time, right? So now I will show you everything. Right here, we have different types of email marketing campaigns that we can actually create. These are the different types, right? The welcome one, in which you send an email to your new customers to welcome them to your product. One, and then we have a simple one. This is going to be a simple email that you can send to your subscribers about anything. Then we have a promotional where you sell your products and services and promote your latest deals. That is going to be the promotional one. Then we have a plain email. Again, it is the regular one for your personal email. And then we have a newsletter. A newsletter is to keep your contacts engaged with your brand by sharing content that you both care about. So that is how it will work with. And then we have other emails as well. For example, the festival emails that we have. For example, a Christmas email that you will send to people, a Black Friday email. So these are the different types of an announcement, maybe an event invite. So these are the different emails we send. Simple, basic emails, right? So this is what's going to happen. Let's just say you want to create a welcome email. This is going to be your welcome, or you can select from any of these templates. You can also choose a promotional one. I am going with the very simple one, which is going to be the welcome one. Simply click on that, and then it will open up the editor where I will be able to edit my email. So this is my editor right here. Now I will be able to edit my email right here. So we have added, then we go to settings, and in settings we add the information, and then we have send and schedule. In settings we actually select the email list where we want to send our email to. You can add your email list right here, the people you want to send them to. You can add your email list, you can import your email list if you already have one. So it's super easy to do. So when it comes to right here, you can see there this thing, create A B split testing. So let me also tell you about this one. This is also another type of campaign where we kind of like compare two types. It's like comparing test sample A and sample B. So what we do is we create these two campaign and we kind of like compare the results, that which one of these did better for us if we're promoting a product, or if we were selling a product, if the test A did well or the test B did well. So we compare and which one is doing better, and then we kind of like select the one with the better results. So that is how it works. Creating an email now, it's super simple. It depends on you what you want to add. So it's simple, drag and drop. First of all, let's give it a name. I'm gonna go ahead and call it test. So I have given it the name of test, and now this is the company logo. I can simply click right here, and then you will see they will tell me that this is actually an image. So we have to upload our image right here. We will upload our logo, whatever logo you have created, or you can go ahead and create one right now. This is the alignment of your logo, so you will add your logo right here. For now, I'm just gonna leave this one right here. Then we have this is the email right here. So I can add links to my email, I can embed videos, I can add dividers, I can add my socials as well. So what is going to happen is, let me show you how you add socials. So let's add socials right here. What I will do is I will simply drag this button right here of socials and place it right here. There you go. Now I have my socials. I have Facebook, I have LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Let's add another one. Let's just say I wanted to add my YouTube. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to click on YouTube and it will be added right here. Let's just say, and I will add my YouTube, of course. Then I will have to add the URL, my YouTube, channel. So I will add the link right here, and when somebody will click on the YouTube button, they will be driven to my YouTube channel. Easy, right? So now I can also add my, similarly, you simply, click right here and it opens up. Let's add our Facebook. Click on edit, add your Facebook URL right here, click on done, and it will be done. So this is how you add your socials. Let's edit the text. Simply click on edit, and now I can edit it out. Welcome friend, thank you for reading this. Let's just say welcome. So I have added the word welcome and I kind of like edited the text a bit. So what you have to do is, you can see right here, this is the welcome word. Simply select this one, make it bold. Now this is, I want it to be centered align. It will be moved to center. Let's, increase the size. I want this to be very prominent. So I will increase the size. Perfect. So I can also change the color if I want to. If I want to change the color of the background, this is white, this is plain white, I can do that as well. I can add buttons if I want to, and what I will do is I will simply drag the button and drop it right here, and it will be added. What you have to do is simply edit this button. So I will edit the text actually, and it should say click here. Perfect. Simply click on done. After that, I can simply add a divider. I want a divider between my socials and my button. There you go. So this is how you add different things. You will edit the text. It's super easy to edit the text. I showed you how you can also customize it. So once you're done with all the editing, you simply go to settings. You will add the recipients, you will add your email list, everything, and then we have the send or schedule option where you select your recipients. You will see all of the emails right here, or you can simply add a list. You can see that I have a limit of 2,000, like I can send this email to 2,000 people for free. So this is good. If I want to schedule it for later, I will do that as well. So for now, I'm just gonna save it because I kind of like made this one for just for the video. So I will simply save it, but you simply click on review and send, and then your first email campaign will be created like this. Super easy to do, no complication, and then you can actually go ahead and analyze it whenever these different email marketing platforms, they have this analyze section as well, where you will be able to check out the recipient engagement, like how many emails you sent, the open rate, the click rate, everything. Then we have the delivery rate right here. Then we have the email performance reports. So you will be able to check out everything, and you will be able to analyze your campaign better, and you will be able to work on your campaign to get better results. Once you do, you will be able to grow your business and run successful email marketing campaigns to get more successful and to run a very successful business. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.